These 4-inch oval tube sidebars have everything you'll want in modern style and functionality. Welded and polished end caps, high traction step pads, and a new 30-degree original equipment style bend. Open the package and verify all contents. You will notice that Steelcraft products are individually wrapped and packaged with foam to protect them during shipping. The sidebar for the driver's side is wrapped in green, while the passenger side is wrapped in clear plastic. The 4X series sidebars are delivered with custom mounting brackets and hardware made specifically for your vehicle. Tools required for installation include a ratchet and 13mm socket. You may also need a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool if plugs are present at the mounting points of your truck. Mounting hardware included in the package are combination bolts, flat washers, hex bolts, and lock washers. Also included is a passenger right mounting bracket, 2 driver left center and rear mounting brackets, 2 passenger right center and rear mounting brackets, and a driver left front mounting bracket. There are 3 mounting points on each side of the vehicle. Starting on the driver's side, remove the plastic plugs or bolts covering the threaded holes in the body panel. Select the driver's side front mounting bracket. Attach the bracket to the vehicle using the included 8mm by 30mm hex bolts, 8mm lock washers, and 8mm flat washers. Do not tighten the hardware at this time. Continue with the center and rear mounting brackets. Verify that all 3 brackets are in the correct locations. Carefully place the driver's side step onto the brackets. Do not slide either front to back or rotate the side step on the brackets. Doing so may damage the finish. Align the inserts in the bottom of the side step with the slots on the mounting brackets. Attach the side step to the mounting brackets with the included 8mm by 25mm combination hex bolt assemblies. Do not tighten the hardware at this time. Adjust the side step into position and align either closer or further away from the cab. Tighten all mounting bracket hardware on the side step first, then on the truck. Periodically inspect your side steps to make sure that all the hardware remains secure and tight. Repeat for the passenger side. Installation is now complete. Wax your new side steps after installing. Regular waxing is recommended to add a protective layer over the finish. Be careful not to use any type of polish or wax that contain abrasives that could damage the finish. For gloss black or stainless steel finishes, use a mild soap to clean the side steps. For stainless steel, aluminum polish may be used to polish small scratches and scuffs on the finish. You are now ready to use your 4X series sidebars.